Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the EOS kit, Canon EOS kit 80D, and my husband is the one that's going to be the one that is unboxing this video. Not the video, but unboxing the Canon 80D. So if you want to watch this video, keep on watching. If not, just click out of this video and let's get right into this video. So keep on watching. Bye.
You're gonna have to hold it up.
In the mail. I'm nervous. I'm about to have a heart attack.
Don't video me.
Come on, quit it. You're the one
I wanna be in the
unboxing
video.
it. I want to stop. You're unboxing it. The Canon.
Yep.
I don't know. What?
There's the bag.
Oh, hold on. Put it on here. I'll put this on there. It came with a bag. Now we have to open this too, though.
There's the one SD card.
An SD card?
Yep. Oh, there's a microphone.
What kind of microphone is this, though? That's tiny. I thought it was going to be bigger. Didn't
Wireless
you?
remote. Yeah, it's okay.
It looked like it was a bigger one. I don't know. Maybe you can figure that out. A wireless?
Filter.
What is a wireless remote? Hold on.
Charger.
This is a wireless remote for the
Charger.
Canon. And it comes with what?
Charger.
There's like... I don't know.
Here's one of the lenses. I don't know what this is.
This is a charger. There's like a few chargers here. And then it comes with the filter too. Dang, it's like how
Oh,
much?
there's the video light.
And it comes with a video light too.
There's another filter.
This is with the kit though. It came with a lot of stuff, honey.
Yeah. There's a cleaning brush.
Here's a cleaning brush.
An air cleaning thing.
An air cleaning thing. What does that to do with?
The camera strap.
A camera strap.
Yeah.
It's like, dang. It's a lot of stuff. And what is this? It's one of the lenses. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna record this part. It's one of the Stigma lenses, and it's a 55.250 milli, whatever.
Here's another memory card.
What is this? It's a
Memory
starter
card.
kit. What does the starter kit have to do with?
And there's a box.
Comes with
The camera
another
thing.
SD card. Huh?
Here's the box.
But I thought there was going to be two lenses.
Do what?
Two
Well,
lenses.
it's probably in here.
What is in this?
Give it a
It comes with some filters too. How many are there in here?
This is probably a lens in here or something. I don't
Oh,
know.
these are a few filters. This is a filter too, right?
Yeah. Look, here's the lens.
Hold on, let me see.
One of the lenses.
What kind of lens is that one?
That's a wide angle.
And there's the Canon power shot. Why does it say, it doesn't say ADD? I hope you didn't get the wrong one.
Yeah, might have. Not me. He might have sent the wrong one.
No, on the back it says ADD.
Oh, it does.
I was like, oh my goodness, I'm about to have a heart
Okay.
attack.
When they
No.
do stuff like that.
Did that almost give you a heart attack?
Yeah, I was scared.
Okay, hold on, wait. Let me go on the side so I can, never mind.
Yep. Here's the ADD book.
EOS,
here's the
ADD.
lens.
What's the,
One of the lenses.
where's the body?
Hey, hold on. We'll get to it.
That's, wow, that's a big ass lens.
Not really.
It is. What kind of lens is that one?
Canon.
I know, but what kind? Like, which one?
Wait. Battery charger. Camera strap. Another battery. Put that there. And here's the best part. The camera.
I want to see, like, the size and everything on it. That's a big camera, though.
You know what I feel like we're missing though is the drive. It's the what's it called?
What? That's the camera. Let me see.
Yeah.
Let's see the flip out screen too. Oh, that's freaking cool, right?
Yep.
Hold on, does it like here, flip it out?
What
Does
is
it like
that?
flip other way? And it flips the other way too. Do it again, show the front camera. That's the body. Wow, that's pretty cool. What's next?
I'm wondering where the drive is at, the battery.
What do you mean the drive? I don't know what you mean.
What's this?
Here, I'm opening this bag for you. Can you? I'll put this right here. Opening this bag. Or this is where you put all your stuff, honey.
Yeah.
Damn. I'm trashing that. Then, do you want me to take this off? Look, do you want me to cut this off?
Here. I need something.
Here, you need scissors. Where did you do with the scissors?
They're on the table.
Oh, get it so I can cut that off.
Wait, hold on. I'm looking for something. I feel like I'm missing something here.
What would you be missing? Lens.
No, I'm not missing
You
one
had
of them.
3 lenses. Oh no, there is 1, 2, and then there's another lens in there.
I'm missing that.
What is it that you're missing? I don't
I'll
get
show
it.
you. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm looking for. Oh, there the scissors are. I'm cutting this. Okay. I'm cutting this, and it's for the bag.
Maybe it's in the box that I'm talking about. I don't see it here though.
And I'm opening this up. I didn't know it came with the bag. That's pretty cool. Uh-oh, something fell.
You align the white dots. There's a white dot. See the white dot?
Yeah.
You align them 2 white dots
Can you turn it on?
and twist it. No, 'cause it doesn't have a battery in there.
Oh.
Hold
Can we throw this away now?
No. I don't want that thrown away. I just want to put it somewhere where it's out of the way.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below on what other videos you would like to see on my channel. And yeah, and subscribe to my channel, and like a shout out in my videos, just comment in the comments below on, you know, like just anything, and I'll give you a shout out in my video. So yeah, bye, see you in the next video.